Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord JavaScript error on Windows 11. Click on search, then type here task manager. Click here to open it. It will open new window, then click on more details. Now click on details, and from here you have to select Discord and then just click on end task. Now click on end process. Okay, now close this window. In the next step, click on search and then type control panel. Click here to open it. On this window you need to click on programs, then go to uninstall a program and select Discord. Right click on it and click on uninstall. Okay, now close this window. Again go to search bar, type task manager. Click here to open it, then go to file, click on run new task and click on browse. It will open file explorer, then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From the given files you need to open system32 folder, so open it. Now search for cmd file, so scroll down and then here we go, select it and click on open. Now click here and just type space dash dash update and check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt, then simply type gp update space /force and then hit enter and then type exit and close the command prompt. In the next type, go to search bar, type run and click here to open it. Then type %appdata%, then click on OK. Then select Discord folder, right click on it and click on delete. Now close this. Again go to search bar, type run, click here to open it. Now we need to type %local app data %, then click on OK. From this window right click on Discord and click on delete. Again from the main window delete this. Now open Google Chrome. In the search bar type discordapp.com and hit enter. Now click on download for Windows. Okay, now from here you can install Discord, and that's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go.